And so if you have some time to spend outside, grounding with the earth. Susie was just saying she took a nap today outside, and then like anything that you can do to just like really connect in with the earth, and actually all of the elements. A bath can also do this. Spending some time looking at a fire could really help. Anything that is going to really connect you into the elements and kind of put you in a more receptive state is going to give you the ability to handle some of the assistance that is being offered right now.